Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to make Spearmint Eucalyptus Essential Oil Soap. I'm going to make a double batch, but instead of using my slab mold, I'm just going to use two 5-pound molds. Um, Pretty standard soap to make. I've got a blend of spearmint and peppermint essential oils. It smells fantastic. It kind of smells like double mint gum a little bit. And then I'm just going to use the pine mica from BeScented. Just keep it really simple. Simple single color soap, sells really well, and it's nice and refreshing. So I'm just going to have this video speeded up quite a bit for you guys just so you can watch, follow along. Nothing too exciting is happening because there's no swirls, no texturing on the top. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll be back for the cut. All right, and as promised, this is going to be sped up just a little bit. Super simple soap, but comes out really, really nice. And again, this is the pine mica from BeScented, and every bar looks exactly the same, so that's why I don't feel bad about speeding it up because everything kind of looks the same. I think I'd forgotten to I always like to put parchment paper down on the trays. It just makes cleanup a little bit easier once the soaps are done curing. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great day.